On May 20th, 2023, officers rushed to a distress call about a tragic crash near a pool. Upon arrival, they discovered a severely damaged red vehicle. A woman in a bikini, the driver, confronted them angrily, complicating their investigation into the cause of the crash. What unfolded next was unexpected. Upon reaching the scene, they observed a red vehicle that had sustained significant damage.
What's your first name?
Isabella, but
Isabella, come here. Come here and look at this. Stay close to me, but look at this. How did this happen? What is this?
I mean, I don't know. The whole car started shaking.
Did you hit a tree? Did you hit another car?
No, the whole car started shaking. I was driving and the whole...
Which way were you going? This way?
This way.
The officers immediately sought to investigate the circumstances of the crash by questioning the driver. The situation was complicated when the driver, a woman dressed in a bikini, approached them. She was visibly upset and began arguing with the officers, raising questions about her behavior. The officers noted the vehicle's damage and asked the driver to understand what had happened.
This way.
So you hit the pole?
The whole car started shaking, yes.
So you hit the pole?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you hit the pole, which caused all the damage, which spun you around.
Yes, I pulled out of Sunset Marina.
Yeah.
The whole car started shaking because when sometimes I fill it up with premium gasoline,
Yeah.
the whole car starts shaking. And then this happened.
Do you have your license with you, Isabella?
Yes, and I was just getting off the boat and I don't know what happened.
Yeah. Or is it in here? I got it. That's you, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Despite her emotional state, the woman was adamant that the crash was not her fault. She claimed that her car had been experiencing mechanical issues, particularly with the steering and wheels. She insisted that the vehicle had not been repaired properly, which led to the crash. The woman's claims were surprising, but the officers listened carefully as they assessed the situation.
Since you have airbag deployment, we have an ambulance coming to check you out. That's standard operating procedure. Just do me a favor, stay around the car and my partner here. Is it automatic or standard?
It's automatic.
Well, I mean, full airbag deployment, we call that, and she's a little hysterical, so we don't know if she smashed her face or not. I mean, you can't see any marks on her, but her face is red, so I don't know if the airbag popped her or not.
Well, I'm sure the last thing she wants to do is be standing on College Road in a bikini.
Yeah, well, she just left Sunset.
Now, I was just checking out this pole. Looks like she had a pre-order.
Yeah. She propelled that and then spun around, and the airbag and her demeanor. I figured you guys, you might as well come look at her. She has no idea. Cab driver said she was going too fast. You can literally see tire tracks right there
coming across.
Yeah. Yeah, she's impaired tickets. It's been suspended since January for not paying tickets. So.
Are you getting Signal 1 vibes?
She's coming from over there, and Bernatova's on her way. So
Yeah.
that and the inability to tell me what happened, to where I'm having to look around because there's like four cars stopped, and she's standing there. So I look around, and then you can see it. So I look, and she bounced off the pole. You can see paint transfer because I walked her around to the other side. I said, "How did this dent get here?"
She was highly emotional, speaking erratically and sobbing uncontrollably. The officers tried to calm her down, but she continued to argue and cry. This made the investigation more difficult, as the woman was not cooperating fully. Despite her emotional outbursts, the officers gathered critical information about the vehicle. The registration details confirmed that the car was registered under her mother's name.
I don't know. So.
Isabella, hi. I'm Officer Brat of US Police Department. You okay?
No.
What happened?
My car is broken.
It's your car?
I thought I was supposed to take it to college and now it's broken.
You were going to college?
I took it, yes. I literally had this car taken to the auto body shop twice. And now I'm pissed.
So how did it happen?
Literally the steering wheel started buffering, like shaking, which
Okay.
happens all the time.
It does? So what, did it lock on you or?
The steering wheel it started shaking. And I didn't know what to do. And all of a sudden I ran into the fucking pool.
Okay, so you were driving this way, correct?
I was driving straight and I was trying to make the turn and it started shaking.
So you ran into that pole. Okay, so you hit it with your right side.
Yeah.
And then the car span around like that?
And I just...
Are you injured at all?
No, I'm just scared.
Okay, where were you coming from?
Sunset Marina.
Sunset Marina, what were you doing over there?
My mom works there.
Okay, what were you doing over there? Were you like hanging out by the pool
I was
or?
hanging out by the pool and my mom works there. And I've gotten this car fixed twice.
Okay, is the car registered to you?
Yes. And it's registered to my mother and my parents and my social security number. And I've gotten this car fixed 2 times. 2 times at an auto body shop right over there. And it broke down and started doing the same thing it's been doing.
When was it at the shop?
It's been at the you want me to show you the receipt?
No, I'm asking you. I don't need receipts.
It was at the shop. I guarantee you, like at least 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
Once they had collected all the necessary documents, the woman complied but remained agitated. With the initial investigation over,
If not sooner. And this car has been at that shop at least 3 times. And this...
Was it for that issue with the
Yes,
steering wheel?
it's been at the same issue of the steering wheel shaking. And the same issue. The same issue.
Did the airbag hit you at all in the face?
No. It
Okay.
just...
I'm just gonna snap a quick picture of your face, okay? Just for the
Do I
documentation.
look okay?
I mean, you look upset.
I mean, of course I'm upset. This is my car.
Okay. Yeah, the car's gonna have to be towed. Obviously,
I know.
it's not in any good shape.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try to move.
Where do you live, Isabella?
I live at 12 Tomo Fister.
Okay.
I look really ugly.
Why would you worry about that? You're just been in
Because
an
you're taking
accident.
pictures of me.
Yeah, they're not gonna go on Facebook or anything. Don't worry about that.
I'm gonna have a mugshot or something.
Okay. Listen, Isabella, I understand you're upset, but I need you to listen to me for 1
Of
second.
course I'm upset. I'm scared.
And I
I'm
understand
upset
that.
at the freaking auto body
Yes.
shop that messed up my car.
Okay, and you can deal with that.
Is there any way that I can get my insurance to like have some justice here?
Well, you're
Like-
gonna have to contact the insurance for sure. Do you have a paperwork for the car? Do you have a
Yes,
registration?
Of course.
Can I see it? Do you know where it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so you said the car is registered to you.
It's registered to my parents. I'm just turned 18 in November.
Okay. Do you have a registration?
I mean, I don't
registration?
know which one it is, but
Okay.
It should be in there.
It's just more insurance over here. Okay, I'll hold on to that for now. Okay, listen, Isabella, come over here for me. So I understand. I think I understand what happened. Okay, so there's gonna be a traffic crash
This has
report.
happened before.
Okay,
No.
can you listen to me? Did you crash before?
No, but this steering, like, I brought it to the auto shop for this
Okay.
exact issue.
Okay. And like I said, there's gonna be a crash report, and then you can contact your insurance and tell them exactly what happened, and then you'll take it from there, okay? So right, Isabella, I need you to focus on me, okay?
I'm sorry.
So right now, the traffic crash investigation is over, okay?
The officers turned their attention to another important matter, determining if the woman had been driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs at the time of the crash. But the woman immediately denied any form of intoxication. Her defensive responses raised more suspicions. She was reluctant to cooperate, which made it harder for the officers to proceed smoothly.
Right now, I'm starting a different investigation. It's criminal, and it's for DUI, okay? So before I ask you any questions, I'm required to read you your rights, okay? So I'm gonna need you to listen. If you have any questions after that, you can ask me, but just listen to what I'm gonna read, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? I need a verbal yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Have you asked any law enforcement officer to speak to an attorney?
No, but I want to call my uncle.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now and answer some questions?
I want to talk to my uncle. I want to talk to my mother. I want to talk to everyone.
Okay, but what we're doing now, it's a criminal DUI investigation. And in order for me figure out what's going on and if you've been driving under the influence, I need to ask you specific questions. So I need to know if you're willing to answer them or if you're invoking your rights and you don't want to answer that.
I don't know what to do. Can I just take a minute?
You can take a minute, but you're 18, correct?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm
so
18.
you're
No,
an
I
adult?
just-
No, it's
I'm
okay.
an adult.
It's okay.
Can
It's okay.
I just take a minute?
Take a minute. It's okay. All I need to do is ask you a few questions, okay? So you let me know if you're okay with that or not. If you need me to repeat this, I'll repeat it.
Can I call my mom?
You cannot right now, no. You're an adult and you need to deal with this on your own. Okay?
I'm a little scared. This has never happened before. That's why I'm scared.
Okay, Isabella, I cannot really talk to you unless you tell me you're okay with talking to me. Okay.
This is really scary.
I understand that. Take your time.
He's gonna come get it from the back with all the things.
I have a bouquet of flowers. Just make sure they don't tip over.
So what is it? We're talking or not?
We're talking.
Okay. So I can smell alcohol from you. So be honest with me. How much did you have to drink today?
I didn't really have much to drink. My friends were all drinking around me.
Okay. So how much did you have to drink?
Maybe 1 or 2.
Maybe 1 or 2 what?
Like a high noon.
High noon, like those soda, the what is it?
But I had them
The spiked
like
soda.
4 hours ago.
So did you have them 4 hours ago or 1 4 hours ago?
Like 2 4 hours ago.
You had 2 4 hours ago. Okay. So was that by the pool?
No. Yeah.
To gain more clarity, the officers asked her to put on a shirt, as she was still in her bikini, and move to the other side of the road for a series of field sobriety tests.
You feel under the influence right now?
No, I'm just scared.
Okay, it's understandable.
I'm so sorry.
You're safe with us. You're not injured. The rescue checked you out.
Straight up.
We just gotta get through this, okay? But right now I am under impression, based on your appearance and the smell of the alcohol from you, that you've been operating this vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs to the extent that it impairs your normal faculties to safely operate a vehicle. So I'm asking you, will you submit to the voluntary field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you've been driving drunk?
What is that like?
It's
like
three
line
simple.
walking?
Yeah, it's three simple
Sure,
exercises.
Sure.
You'll do that.
Whatever.
Okay.
But can I put on some clothes?
Do you have any clothes in the car? Okay, yeah, absolutely. Sure.
Hey, hold on 1 second. Hold on.
Where are your clothes?
Clothing.
Where are your clothes?
In the trunk?
In a trunk? Okay. If we can open it, we'll get you
Mind
some
if I grab
clothes.
them?
Well, yeah.
Hey, can you call
Yeah, hold on. Don't go. Don't go over there. It might not be safe at this point.
battery because the dog clothing.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Can we do that?
That's fine.
Okay. And do you before they take the car, do you have a phone or anything else you want to take?
He has my phone.
He has your phone?
He has my phone.
Oh, that's how the car's dead. Yeah, the airbag goes off, they cut the cables that way. You don't get something popping out.
What about a wallet? Has a wallet too?
He has everything.
Okay.
I mean, I should.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's-
Okay.
that's it.
All right.
I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry. Take your time. Put your clothes on, and we're gonna. When you're ready, we're gonna walk over to the other side of the road. Okay? Stay with her. I'm gonna. So let's stand here over in the shade. Okay?
Whatever you want
Okay.
me to do.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
just scared.
Do you wanna? The other officer hold it.
You can
hold
take
on to
whatever
this.
you want.
Okay. So can you face me? Okay. So first, few questions about your health.
Whatever you want.
Do you have anything wrong with
I'm
you?
not allergic to anything. I have no
Okay.
surgeries.
Do you
I
have
no
diabetes?
pills. I have no. No.
Do you take insulin?
No.
Do you have anything with your eyes? Blindness in either eye, glass eye? Do you wear contacts?
No.
Okay. Anything I should know about?
Well,
Physically?
no, other than that I'm crying, but right
Okay,
now.
no, that's understandable. You're upset. It's okay. That's not a factor here. Okay.
The first test was the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. The woman was instructed to follow the tip of the test helps officers identify signs of intoxication.
So the first one, I'm going to check your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. So put your feet together, hands at your side, keep your head still, and arms down your side. Okay. Do you see where my index finger touches the tip of my pen? Can you touch it with your right index finger? Oh, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna call that a stimulus. You can put your head down. So stay in this position until I tell you what to do and don't break the position, okay? So I'm gonna call this a stimulus. So I need you to follow the stimulus with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand these instructions? Okay, you can blink. There's nothing wrong with blinking. I don't want you to start crying anymore. But just don't move your head. Just follow that with your eyes only. Okay, ready? Don't move your head. Don't move your head. Look here. It's okay. You're doing great. Okay, so go on. You're getting ahead of my pen. I need you to look here.
Okay.
And just keep following with your eyes and keep your hands down your side. Thank you. Just look here, okay?
However, the woman struggled to follow the pen's movement properly.
Keep looking. You're doing good. See here, right here. Right here. Do you want to wait till they leave?
Yeah.
Is that distracting? Okay.
That's my car.
I know, but it's what's happening. The car is gonna get towed, and then you deal with your insurance.
Okay, can I try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hands down your side, and look right here. Do not move your head. Okay. Keep looking. Right here.
I'm watching right here.
make the eye contact with that pen.
Oh, with the pen?
Mm-hmm. You keep looking here the whole time. Okay. Keep looking. Keep looking. It's okay. It's almost over. I know it's uncomfortable. I know. Just keep looking.
I'm so pissed.
Keep looking. Do not move your head, just your eyes. Okay, your eyes only.
I'm so pissed off. I'll pass whatever you want me to pass. I just want whoever messed up my car, whoever didn't fix my car, to go to jail.
Again, you can deal with that after
Okay,
this
well,
whole thing is done. Let's focus on this, okay?
After this, they administered the walk and turn test, where she had to walk straight and maintain her balance.
Right. Let's do the line.
Okay, great. I'm so ready.
Can you step in this room?
This has happened twice.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, can you see this line?
Yeah.
Can you-
go barefoot?
Yeah. Do you agree it's pretty straight? There's not really much debris.
I mean, if
Shouldn't
you
move
want
water.
me to go 2 straight lines, I can go 2.
No, I just need you to do one. I need.
one? Okay.
Isabel, listen. There is a specific way you gotta do this.
Okay,
Okay. It's
foot to
not
foot?
just walking.
Foot to foot?
I'm gonna explain it to you. I'm gonna show you exactly what I need you to
Okay.
do, and then you can start. Okay.
And
So-
if I pass this, whoever messed up my car goes to jail, right?
So that's gonna be between you and the shop. That's really not our thing to investigate right now. So come on.
But you'll investigate.
Investigate what?
You'll investigate whoever checked out my car before this, right?
Okay, Isabel, we are not investigating whoever checked out your car right now. Okay? Right now, Officer Bernatova is doing her own investigation. Okay?
Okay.
That has nothing to do with who fixed your car or who did work on your car. Okay? That's all civil, and that's something that you can go and look into after the fact. Okay? But right now, this is what we're dealing with.
Okay.
Okay. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, do you see the line? Can you put your left foot on the line? And put the right foot in front of it with the heel touching the toe right in front of it. Right in front of it. Okay. Like, look, from the side it looks like this. Left foot right in front of it, heel to toe.
Okay.
But on the line. Yeah, whatever's more comfortable. Whatever's more comfortable. All right, so left foot on the line. Right foot in front of it, heel touching the toe. Arms down your side. Look at me. No. I need you to do what I'm telling you to do.
Okay.
So left foot on the line. Left foot on the line. Right foot in front of it. Arms down your side. And stay in this position until I explain to you exactly what to do. I'll show it to you, and then you can start. Do not start the exercise until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
I understand.
As she attempted the walk and turn test, it became clear that she struggled to stay balanced. She failed to follow the instructions properly and couldn't keep her balance while walking. This made the officers even more suspicious that alcohol or some other intoxicant was affecting her ability to function normally.
You just said you understand, but I told you to stay in the position. So I need you to stay in this position.
I understand.
Okay, so stay in this position and listen to me. Do you understand? Do not start until I tell you to start. Understood? Okay. So when I tell you to start, I need you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line. Then you're gonna turn in a very specific manner. I'm gonna show to
Can I
you.
look down?
What's that?
Can I look down?
You just listen till I finish the instructions, and then if you have any questions that I didn't talk about, you can ask me, okay? So stay in the position. Left foot in front of the right foot in front of the left foot, right in front of it. You kind of have it a little like this. I need you to have it like this. Perfect. Arms down your side. So again, when I tell you to, I need you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line.
Okay.
Take a series of small steps to turn around, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back on the line. The whole time you're gonna have your arms down your side. You can watch your feet, and you're gonna count down your steps loud. So it's gonna look like this. Left foot on the line, right foot on the line. So I'm gonna start. Look at me. Look at me. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, all the way till 9. And then on the 9th step, I'm gonna take my back foot and take a series of small steps to turn around exactly like this. Yes, but not like that.
No.
You gotta take the series.
Like a basketball pivot. Like 1, 2.
I don't know what that is, but let's say it looks exactly like this. So this is my 9th step, right?
Can I?
And I'll take my back foot, and I'm gonna do this, exactly this. So now I'm facing the other way. And then I'm gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps back on the line. 1, 2, 3, all the way till 9.
Got it.
Any questions before we start?
No.
Is everything clear?
Understandable.
Is there anything physically that would prevent you from doing this?
No.
Okay, now go ahead, start.
How many am I at? 1, 2.
Okay. Okay, so that one's done, and then we just have one more.
The woman's failure to pass these tests only reinforced the officer's suspicions that she was impaired. It became evident that her ability to operate the vehicle was compromised. Based on her performance in the sobriety tests, the officers made the decision to arrest her for driving under the influence.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is called one leg stand. So that's literally what it is. Don't do anything.
Oh.
I'll explain it to you. So stand with your feet together, like with the eye thing, arms down your side, and listen to my instructions. Maintain this position until I tell you what to do. I'm gonna show it to you, and then you can start. Do you
If you need me
understand?
to hold, I can literally hold whatever you want. I can hold.
I need you to do exactly what I'm asking you to
Okay.
do. So again, stand like that and listen to my instructions, and do not start until I tell you to. Do you understand these instructions? Okay. So when I tell you to begin, I want you to raise one leg, either leg, whichever is more comfortable to you, approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's like the height of a soda can. You're gonna keep the raised foot level to the ground, both legs straight, with with both arms at your sides.
The tree?
You're gonna look at the elevated foot, and you're gonna count loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth, until I tell you to stop. Do you understand so far?
I understand.
Okay, so listen, this is exactly what it looks like. Let's say I decide to pick my right foot. So I'm gonna go 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, and so forth until I tell you stop.
All right. I'm
Any
ready.
questions?
No.
Let me know when you're ready. Don't start yet. Just tell me when you're ready, and don't do that. You need to keep your arms down your side, okay? And do not keep them off of your body. Keep them down your side.
Is this like a yoga pose?
No, like this. Literally, if you're like standing like a soldier, just like that.
Okay, 1.
Now you are having your hands like this. I need you to have them down your side.
Oh.
Perfect. Okay, so don't start yet.
Can I
Very
breathe? Can I breathe?
specific. Yes. Let us know when you're ready.
Do you want me to show it to you again?
Well, I'm not good at balance, but I will do my best.
Okay, that's all
1,
we want.
2, 3, 4.
Okay, Isabel, again.
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33,
Okay, stop.
34, 35.
Okay. Isabella, it's okay. Put your foot back, the Crocs back on. Turn around. Let's see it has to be on your back. You're under arrest for driving under influence. When we get to jail, there's gonna be a Brat test machine, so you will be able to provide the sample of your Brat to determine the alcohol level. Okay? So you can prove us you're not over the legal limit if that's something you believe. Do you understand?
Yep.
Will you take the Brat test?
Yep.
Okay. Yes.
After the arrest, the woman was placed in a patrol vehicle and taken to the police station for further processing. The officers continued to gather evidence, including completing additional procedures to confirm their findings from the sobriety tests.
It's funny how everybody's worried about that one. Poor lady, I have one 10-15. Let's walk over to this car. Adult female 10-15.
How much is my bail?
Come over here.
It's gonna be more than 500.
Face the vehicle. Spread your feet.
Do I do an orange suit?
Step forward. I'm gonna pat you down real quick. I know you just put your clothes on in front of us, but you still gotta do it. What's that?
I wasn't wearing anything.
I know, but it's just a protocol. We gotta do that. And I also, listen, Isabella, I gotta tell you, if there's anything illegal on you, anywhere on your body that you're gonna introduce to my car or to jail, you're gonna be charged with it additionally, okay?
Listen, that's our biggest issue here.
I don't have anything illegal on me.
Okay.
You can vet us. I have nothing. I have nothing.
Got her? I don't have a clicker.
The only problem is that I'm going to jail.
Be thankful that you did not kill yourself or anyone else, okay?
Yes, that's the most
That is the
important
most
thing.
important thing. All of this, we can get past.
No.
You can.
I'm going to college. My life is over.
Thank you. I'm gonna roll the window down so she doesn't suffocate there.
The case soon went to court, where the woman faced several charges, including violations of traffic laws, criminal damage, and driving under the influence. The court proceedings sought to determine the appropriate consequences for the woman's actions. Her claims of mechanical failure were examined, but the officers' findings during the investigation suggested that her intoxication was a significant factor in the crash. The charges against her raised serious questions about responsibility, negligence, and the consequences of driving under the influence. Ultimately, this case was a clear example of the consequences of impaired driving, even when the driver is in law enforcement or otherwise in a difficult situation. It demonstrated that no matter the circumstances, the law applies equally to everyone, and those who break it must face the consequences. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To stay updated on our future videos, click on the notification bell icon after subscribing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.